I completed the drop installation. My drop is actually not a 3.5. I ended up doing a 3.4 drop. Actually is due to the fact that I used it's actually this belltech kit. You can actually make it a 2.4 and 3.5. I lowered the front all the way with the, I guess you remove the rings. I went all the way to the bottom, but for the back, what makes them, you know, a 4-inch drop or a 5-inch is due to the fact of this bracket here. If I was to go 5 inches lower, that right there, that bracket, it would be gone and my leaf spring would just bolt onto the factory perch right there. But since I wanted more clearance from my bump stop so I don't bottom out, I did that. So my truck does have a rake. It's not noticeable when you drive it. To me, it looks pretty good. I'm happy. We'll see how long it lasts until I decide to change some other stuff, but this is it.